Then we'll see how to sort a list, the sort method. So to sort a list, we use sort method. Here we'll apply the sort method. Remove this removing part as of for now. We'll comment it out like so. If you see, we'll if you see here, we have the original list apple, banana, cherry. Then after appending, we have apple, banana, cherry, and then mango. So after sorting, we got this result. So here you will think like, see, apple, banana, cherry, that these are fine. It's A, B, C, and then G. Why this mango is on the first position? Mango should be in the last, right? So why mango is coming on the first? Because strings are sorted based on Unicode ASCII value of characters, and based on the ASCII value, the uppercase, because of ASCII values, uppercase uppercase letters come before lowercase due to ASCII values. That is, B will come before A. So that's why, because of the ASCII values, this mango is coming first in this list. Is it in the first position because of that. Now we will try to sort a list of numbers. We'll create a list of numbers 5, 12, 6, 8, 9, 3. We'll try to sort it. Numbers dot sort. We'll print these numbers. Sorted numbers. So we'll print these numbers. So if you'll see this 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, this is sorted in a correct way because there is no any ASCII values in numbers. But if we'll make it a string, we'll see the result. So if you see, these numbers are now a string, and Python will consider these numbers as a string only, and the sorting will happen based on the string. So 12, then 3, then 5, then 6, then 8, and then 9. Because these are still strings, so now we will move to the other method, that is reverse. We'll see the reverse method also. So as you can understand from the name, reverse method reverses the list. So it will just reverse the list in a reverse order. We'll see in the case of fruits dot sort, and then sorry, fruits dot reverse, and then we'll print it reversed fruits. Similarly, we'll also reverse the numbers. We'll also reverse these numbers. First, we'll change the string to number. There are some shortcut also to convert a string list of numbers to integer, that we will cover later. So for now, we'll reverse the numbers also now, because now these are the integers. We'll print it. First numbers. Now we'll run it. We'll see the output. If we'll see the output, we have reversed fruits. Means the mango is the first, then grapes, then cherry, and then banana, then apple. Similarly, for numbers also we have a reversed list. So the reverse method reverse the element of a list in place. It does not sort. It just flips the order of elements. So that's why the last element is 3. It came to the first place, then 9 came to second, then 8, then 6, then 12. So reverse method reverse the elements, and it just changed the order of elements. It just flipped the order of elements from starting, from end to start and start to end. So I think like we have covered all the important methods. We saw append, how to use append, how to add an item in the list. Then we saw accessing, how to access an item in the list. Then we saw insert method, how to insert any item in the list at a particular position. Then we saw remove method, to remove any item from a list based on the name or if we know the item. Then we saw the pop method to remove the last element from the list. Then we sorting, how to sort how to sort the items of the list. Then we saw reverse method. So we covered all the important list methods. Now we'll move to the next topic, that is we also covered list comprehension. That like we'll use this list comprehensive like in data science and AI machine learning we are using this list comprehension too much. So now the next topic is tuples, which we covered in the next lesson. So for now, I hope you understood the list. So we'll move to the next topic, that is tuples.